Welcome everyone. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house tour of a cottage series home located here in the Village of Chatham in the northern part of the Villages. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Village of Chatham here in the Villages, Florida. This is the home that is for sale today. It is a cottage series home. It is wood framed and it is located here in the Village of Chatham. Let's go in and take a look. First thing I noticed is the concrete driveway, the wood framed home. The roof does appear to be in good condition. This home is list priced at $339,900. It was built in the year 2002. As always, if you have any questions, please contact Chuck, the real estate agent here, the listing agent. It does have brick or concrete pavers in the front of the home as a patio. Has a storm door leading into the home. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are in the foyer area. And I do notice the beautiful wood floors. Many updates. I also noticed the crown molding in this home. The kitchen does have solid surface countertops. I'll take a walk into the kitchen and Lanai area. I will video the specification sheet, and you can refer to that. Here is the dining area. The kitchen area does have tile floors. This home is nice and bright and neat. It does have the acoustic texture on the ceilings. Let's go in and take a look at the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It does have carpeting. It does have the crown molding continuing in this room. Just to give you perspective, that is a queen size bed. And please refer to the specification sheet for the dimensions of the rooms. You notice that this room is very neutrally decorated. It does have a master bathroom with solid surface countertops as well. Looks like the cabinets are oak. Has one sink in the master bathroom. Nice crown molding is continuing in this bathroom. The bathroom does have ceramic tile floor. Off to the right of the bathroom is a walk-in closet. Does have carpeting in the walk-in closet. Does have wire shelving units for storage. Off to the commode and shower room. There is a window above the commode. Crown molding does continue in this bathroom. That shower does appear to be either fiberglass or plastic. I believe that is a 48-inch shower. It's in very good condition. Does have a seat in the shower. Actually, 2 seats in the shower. Light and bright in this bathroom area. This home is well kept. Neutrally decorated. There is a sliding patio door from the master bedroom off into the Lanai. Let's go out into the Lanai and take a look at that. Here is the Lanai sliding patio door from the dining area into the Lanai as well. Nice and bright in this Lanai. You can see the sliding glass windows in the Lanai. The back of the home is facing west. Just to give you perspective, I'll give you another perspective. Although I do not see any HVAC ducts in this Lanai, when you slide the glass patio door from the dining room into here, it will let some air conditioning in here, and it does feel comfortable in here today. Let's go outside and take a look at the backyard. Here's the backyard. Again, the backyard is facing west. That is the back of the home. This is the side yard, so the front of the home would be facing east. You can see the roof line and the enclosed lanai. Very nice. Very neutral home. You can tell it's well kept. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. And it is wood framed. It is a wood frame 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home here in the Villages, Florida. Take a look into the kitchen area. It does have a gas stove. Has a double bowl stainless sink. Hard surface countertops as well. Oak cabinets. Very neutrally decorated. I will video the spec sheet so you have the dimensions of the rooms. As always, please contact the listing agent, Chuck. This home is located at 17412 Southeast 79th Lovewood Avenue here in the Villages, Florida. List price $339,900. It was built in the year 2002. It's a turnkey home with many upgrades, and it is in pristine condition. I'll turn it around. There are your room dimensions. Okay, let's continue the tour. We'll take a walk out into the garage area. This is a 1.5 car garage. It does have a painted floor as well. The laundry is in the garage with a sink. That is the garage. The mechanicals are over there. Okay, we can walk back into the home. I do have a guest bedroom to show you yet. And then we will be exiting the home. Give you another panoramic view from the kitchen area into that living area. Has recessed lights. This kitchen does have a solar tube. That is a solar tube right there. Very gorgeous floors. Please refer to the specification sheet for more information of this home. This would be the guest bedroom and bathroom area. That would be the guest bathroom. It has tile floors. Has a tub. That tub does appear to be fiberglass or plastic. There is a solid surface sink in that bathroom. One sink. And the crown molding continues in this bathroom as well. Very nice home. Very well kept. This is the guest bedroom. You can see it does have carpeting. It does have the crown molding continuing in this guest bedroom. That does appear to be a queen-size bed. To give you perspective of the size of this room, also you can refer to the specification sheet for the dimensions. This bedroom is located in the front of the home. It does have bifold doors on the closet. Nice and light and bright home. Well kept. Nice quiet neighborhood. I will walk out to the street later on and give you a panoramic view of that street. Here's one last panoramic view of the home. I will now walk out to the street and show you what that looks like. Let's take a walk outside. Here we are walking outside the home, walking to the street. Nice large patio area here. Again, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the listing agent, Chuck, at Worth Clark Realty. He will answer any questions that you have. That's his contact information. Very nicely landscaped yard. Again, a deep setback to this front yard. Nice mature palm tree. Let's walk out to the street. This location is 17412 Southeast 79th Lovewood Avenue in the Villages. It is in the Village of Chatham. The front of the home does face east. This is a panoramic view of the street. That would be facing south. That is your home here in the Village of Chatham. It is a wood framed home, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage series home. That's the street facing north. Thank you for joining, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone, for joining me on this open home tour of this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home located here in the Village of Chatham. Have a great day, everyone.